This is Basil looking for a spot on the bed. He's trying to dig up a soft spot. He's been at this for a few minutes now, but I just got the camera turned on. It takes him a while to get a comfortable spot going. Oh, he was momentarily distracted from his work. Now he's back at it. Digger the dog. It's still not soft enough yet. He hasn't tenderized it enough. Oh, got distracted again by an itch. Okay, that's enough digging.